What's going on, everybody? It's your girl SnkrMom here. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Air Max 97 Gold Bullet. Let's get into it. Start out with the box. So you got a classic Air Max 97 box with the brown top with a black Nike check on top. You got your Just Do It on this side. This side you have your different writings. But then we're gonna get to the front of the box and it reads Air Max 97 OG and the colorway is Midsoles Gold and Varsity Red. Let's get into the insides. Opening up the box, pretty much you got your normal stamp of approval right there on top of the box. Just the same normal standard white tissue paper. That's pretty much it that's going on with the inside of the box. So let's go ahead and get into the main ingredient of this video, and that is the Air Max 97 Gold Bullet. Okay, first of all, I just want to start by saying this is a very, very classic colorway. I always wanted these. I wanted them back in the day when they first came out back in 1999. Then they retroed again back in 2017. Wasn't able to cop either one of those, and I was like, man, this time when they come out, I'm definitely going for them. So went for them. They came out today, which is March the 7th. Retail for $185, but I was able to get mine for under retail. Actually on the site called Revolve, I got like an extra 20% off of that price. So I was only ended up paying like $140, which is not bad, especially compared to the $185 price tag, which is pretty steep. But it is a OG Air Max 97, and they are very, very clean. I love this colorway. Also, the silver bullets had those also, so definitely want to go ahead and complete the set. And these right here, like I said, it's an OG, and for me, it was a must-have. I know we all was all excited today about those Tiffany releases, those Air Force ones. I mean, I know they were very nice, but 400, come on now, I just couldn't do it. So I went for what I really wanted, and it was these right here, the Golden Bullets. Not a hype, I know it's not a hype shoe right now, but it's a very comfy shoe, OG shoe, and I like them. So let's go ahead and get into the description. As you can see, like I said, you got your all metallic gold going throughout the whole upper of the shoe, metallic gold mesh, and it's a leather color going throughout the whole upper in that nice gold color. You got that nice reflective material also that's going between each of the lines. You got that reflective material inside there. On the side right here, you got this nice Varsity Red Nike check on the side. To me, I just love that little Nike check right there. It brings it out in this little different kind of like vinyl material right here on the side of the shoe. Also, flip it to the heel, you got your Air Max right there in that metallic gold color coming up the back of the heel on this little pull tab. Inside the shoe, you just got a gold Nike check right there on the inside of the shoe. Going back to the front, pretty much you just got the same gold laces. As we all know, these never really come with any extra laces. You got your standard Nike check right here on top of the tongue in that Varsity Red colorway with the little pull tab right here on top of the tongue. Also, you got your, going to the midsole, you got your all white midsole going throughout the bottom. You got that little Nike check right there on the back of that midsole right here. Also, you got the standard 97 bubbles that coming through the bottom. I love those bubbles. Give you that extra comfort. As you can see, in between them bubbles, you got that nice metallic gold in the bubbles. Also, flip it to the bottom of the midsole, you got that nice gold and that red Nike check on the bottom with that all rubber white and black bottom of the Air Max 97. Like I said, clean colorway. I love 97s. To me, they're very comfortable. Just a nice shoe to just rock. I mean, you could just put these on with some sweats, wear them to the gym. You can do whatever. They're just a very, very nice, comfy shoe because it's an Air Max. And plus, we all know this is an Air Max month. So definitely want to get these just to add it to the collection. Because like I said, I like Air Max 97s, and it's a very nice, clean shoe. Not a hype shoe, so I know everyone probably didn't go for these, and especially for that $185 price tag, which is kind of steep because it's not a Jordan. I know people rather pay $185 for Jordans. But you got this classic 97 colorway right here. And to me, you just can't go wrong. I like them. Very nice, clean shoe. This was the right shoe. Left shoe looks the same as that way. You got that all metallic gold going throughout the whole upper with that nice mesh in that leather with just standard Nike checks right here on the side and that varsity red. You got them nice air bubbles on the bottom going throughout the whole bottom of the shoe. Just very nice technology, give you that extra comfort. All white midsole with that white Nike check. Inside you got that Nike check and that nice gold colorway with those gold laces. Just a clean classic shoe, golden bullet. Like I said, got the silver bullets last year when they came out. They were still a very nice clean shoe. So of course these two they just had to go together. It's a set. I mean, you got one, I just had to get the other one to complete the set. And like I said, just very clean, nice shoes. Love them, love to go to the gym in them and just walk around. And like I said, just a clean shoe to wear. So overall, I like them. Y'all let me know down in the comments below. Did you go for these or did you pass on them? Or did you go for those Tiffany Air Force Ones that came out today? If you did, was you able to cop them? I know they sold out pretty quick. So let me know, did you go for those also? But overall, let me know about the 97s, what y'all thinking. Do you think 97s still in or do you not even like 97s? I know a lot of people might not like them. Sizing wise, they are a tad bit long in my opinion. I got a size 8 in these and I probably could have went ahead and went with a 7.5, but I went with an 8 just because they're a little narrow and I didn't want my feet to be tight. But I would recommend just go with your regular true to size and you should be good. Like I said, I could have went with a 7.5 and they would have been perfect, but I actually got these in the women's sizing, so that was the difference. I got the silver bullets in the GS sizing, so I got my normal GS6 in these, and I should have just went with my normal women's 7.5 in these, but I went with that 8, and it's not bad, not too much room, but I could have went with a 7.5 and it would have been perfect, but still clean overall, not stopping me from rocking them. I'm definitely gonna put these on feet pretty quick, and yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think about the Air Max 97 gold bullet. Like I said, retail for $185 and they came out today, which is March the 7th. Let me know what y'all thinking. But that's all I got for y'all today. So if you're new to watching my channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can know when I post all my videos. Follow me on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. And until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.